What's going on, you guys? We're back with another video, and we got something new this time. So this is my newest pickup. It's a 1998 Suzuki GSX-R750 SRAD. And yeah, this has been my little project. So this is just gonna be an overview of the bike, and then as we do more work to it, then we'll give you updates. But like I said, this is a 1998 GSX-R750. Says it right there. And yeah, as you can see, it doesn't have, I do have fairings for it. I took them off because we were doing work to it. So still got a little bit more work to do, but yeah, she's not bad. Not bad. Pretty clean, actually. It's got about 46,000 miles, I believe, which is most people be like, but it actually rides pretty well. So yeah, we've got a Yoshimura RS3 exhaust. It's got some scuffs and whatnot on the exhaust. I did go down. There's actually a funny story to this, which I'll tell you guys later. Had scuffs on the exhaust, and then the brake lever was cut off, like right where the ball would be, like right here. So I snagged this from a 2002 GSX-R750, I believe. So we've got that, and yeah, still need to do a few things. So far I've done a brake fluid change, flushed the brake fluid. We've got Motul RBF 660 in here right now, just because I do a lot of back roads, and I'm admittedly really hard on the brakes and the brake fluid. But we got that. We did fork seals, went with the SKF fork seals, no fluid at all. Got Showa forks. Front suspension feels pretty good. Still need to get it dialed. We got it set to OEM standards, but I still need to get it dialed for my weight and riding preference. But yeah, we've got that. Got Dunlop Q3 Plus tires, front and rear. This rear is actually, it was a brand new tire. This was on Akira, actually, before she got slicks. And it was a brand new tire, and then I decided I wanted to go off-roading on a sport bike. So that didn't end well, as you guys saw in one of the previous videos. But that's pretty much all that we've done so far. But there is a little bit more to do. So the oil pan, I don't know if you guys be able to see it, but the oil pan kind of leaks oil. Yeah, you can't really see from this angle. So let's run over here. And that came out of that bike, all that oil. So I did an oil change and then realized that the bike was actually leaking oil. So need to do a oil pan gasket, and then obviously another oil change because it kind of leaked a lot of fluid out. But yeah, oil change, oil pan gasket. Still need to sync the throttle bodies and adjust the valves, make sure those are in spec. And then she's pretty much road ready, besides putting the fairings back on, obviously. But I also wanted to change the coolant, switch that over to engine ice. See, the got coolant splatter here from where the bike kind of got a little hot, and it just popped one of the hoses off and coolant splattered everywhere. I may get new frame sliders. If it doesn't focus, you can see this one's pretty scratched up because this is the side that it went down on. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. And then it will be a fully functioning and running motorcycle. It's pretty clean for its age, if you ask me. But yeah, like I said, just an overview. Oh, also need to get another regulator rectifier. It has a new battery in it. It's not in it currently because that'd just be wasting battery and killing juice. So we took the battery out, but yeah, that's it. Newest pickup, 1998 Suzuki GSX-R SRAD. So plans for this bike, mainly be a street bike. Won't see any track time at all. This will be a street bike for me. And I also I do this on all my bikes. I've already converted it to GP shift, so we're in the 1 up, 5 down crew. But that's the way we like it. That's the way we like it. So funny story, this is actually the motorcycle that I learned how to ride on. Definitely would not recommend it, but I learned a lot of valuable lessons on it, like don't grab too much throttle. It was a very, very torquey bike back then. I mean, it's still torquey now, it just feels less so because I'm used to it. But yeah, it's got some cosmetic imperfections, as you can see. But I mean, what do you expect from a 25-year-old bike? But yeah, that's where the that scrape came from. I was going through an intersection and got cut off by some woman on her phone texting and driving, and I didn't want to hit her, so I tried to make a corner, and as we see, I did not quite make that corner. You see the frame sliders scraped up too, but it's all good. All replaceable parts. I was fine. Just got a scrape on my knee. I actually rode back home that day too, which is funny. But yeah, stay tuned for more updates and subscribe if you haven't.